In one of our previous lessons, we considered divisions of integers. And we considered rules of divisions of integers. And we also solved problems on how to apply the rules of divisions of integers. In today's lesson, we are going to be considering further problems on divisions of integers. We have two questions in these examples. Now, solution to the question. Solution. The first one, we have minus 2 times 12 divided by minus 6. Now, you need to observe the question very well, which is very important. This can be written as minus 2 times 12. It's still the same thing. Divided by minus 6. From our rules of division, minus divided by minus will give us what? Just like this goes with this. It will give us positive. So in that case, the answer we are going to have, it must be positive answer. Now from here, from the numerator we have what? 12. Denominator we have 6. So here we can say 6 here 1, 6 here what? That is 2. So we have 2 times 2, that will give us what? 4. So we are having plus 4. And this plus 4 is the same thing as 4. Now looking at the second question. The second question. We have minus 7 whole number 1 divided by 5. Divide by minus 9 whole number 3 over 5. Now looking at this question, the first thing you need to do is to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Is very important. That's the first step. Now converting. 7 times 5, what do we have? 35. Plus 1, that's 36. So we are going to have minus 36 divided by 5. Divided by, what do we have? This can be written as what? 9 times 5, 45. Plus 3, what do we have? That is 48. So we have minus 48 divided by 5. Now in this case, looking at what we have here, this number 48 divided by 5. Or let me say minus 48 divided by 5, taking it together. The numerator here is what? Minus 48. The denominator here is what? Is 5. And in front of this minus 48 over 5, we have division symbol. Now we want to change this division symbol to multiplication. So what do? We are going to exchange numerator and denominator. So 5 will become numerator, while minus 48 will become the what? Denominator. So this will turn to what? We have minus 36 over 5 times 5 will go up, then minus 48 will come down. So now in this case, what do we have? We can say here 5 here 1, 5 here 1. What number can divide 36? We can decide to use 6. That can also divide 48 also. 6 can divide both. 6 is a factor of 36 and 48. We also have other factors, but let's use 6. 6 here, 6. 48 divided by 6 also, what do we have? 8. So what do we have? We're having minus 6 times 1. That is minus 6 at denominator. Now at denominator, what do we have? 1 times minus 8. That's minus 8. Don't forget the rules of division. Minus divided by minus, what do we have? It will turn to plus. So we're having plus. So here, what do we have? We can simplify this further. 6 over 8. What number can divide 6 and can also divide 8? We can use 2. 2 here, 3. 2 divided by, that is 8 divided by 2, what do we have? 4. So this is plus 3 over 4. So the answer can be written as 3 divided by 4. That is the solution to the question.